What's up, guys? Welcome back. Yes, welcome back to another video. Before we go into this video, remember to subscribe if you're new. Remember to like this video, share to a friend, leave us your comments. And yes, I'm sitting in another vehicle. All right, so today we are here in a Subaru Impreza. It's 2014. It's fully loaded. Yes, fully loaded Subaru. Yes, guys, the mileage on this vehicle is 53,851, and it's going for only $1,950,000. Yes, you heard it correct. And you would have seen it from the thumbnail. So yes, the price is correct. So today I'm at Richards Motors, and this is 2 Municipal Boulevard in Portmore, and we'll be giving you a view and a walk around of this beautiful Subaru. So let's get right into this video, guys. Alright, guys, so we'll work our way from the inside of the vehicle, and it's keyless entry, button start. Alright, there we go. So as you can see, the dash is beautifully laid out. You have your info there, your AC looking very clean and lovely. Alright, you have your steering with a few controls on the right, and as you can see, you have your fully powered driver window, and the others are powered window. However, you would have to hold them for them to go up and down, and you have your other controls there. Alright, you have your turn signal on the right, as well as your controls for your light, and on the left you'll have your wiper blade control as well as for your window washer. Alright, so as you can see, it's dual AC, so you can control depending on the side that you are sitting. Right, it's an automatic transmission, and you know what the S is for. Sports mode, of course, with your handbrake right here. So this comes with a double cup holder. Alright, in the event you're not using it, you can close it right there for a clean finish with your center console and your armrest. Very deep and tucked away, you have your 12-volt outlet right there. Alright, and as you can see, it's fully black with this red stitching on it for the seat, looking very lovely, and the black goes right through the vehicle, except what? Except the roof. So you have your lights, you have some more controls there. Alright, you have your mirror on both sides, so if you're doing your makeup or you just want to check how your face is looking, you can go right ahead. So guys, let me just step out a bit. Start messing up the vehicle already, but as you can see, come with the mats. And you have your powered seats to go front, back. There you go. All powered right here. Like I said before, it's fully loaded. And we'll just look around the back here. The red trim on these seats are looking very lovely, and your roof light right there. It comes with your reverse camera. I'll go back on the inside just to show you what it looks like. But let's just take a look at the trunk, and as you can see, there are plenty of room around here to carry your stuff. And you know, the middle seat has its own seat belt, just tucked away right here, goes through that section there, and you know the straps. Subaru. Now you want to see what's going on under the hood, so let's go. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Like I said before, it's fully loaded, it's all clean and ready to go. Alright. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy the content. I hope you like this car. If you do, please to leave us a like, leave your comments if there's a car that you want to see and I can find it on this lot or another lot, then I'll definitely go right ahead and give you a review on that in terms of the price and how it actually looks. And you will definitely be getting more from ChriSamz. But remember, if you visit Richards Motors, just remember to tell them that ChriSamz sent you here. And guys, remember the price of this car is going for only $1,950,000. So just go ahead and make your purchase, and this can be your dream car or just your new toy. You just never know. So remember to subscribe to the channel, leave us your comments, and we will catch you guys in the next one. So until then, peace out guys.